Hello everyone, this is Brian. Today we're gonna unbox camera vertical battery grip from Neewer. This battery grip is for Panasonic G85. The packaging is very simple. It has brand logo on the top and white tracing of G85 on the front of the package. You can buy this product on the Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. It is affiliate link, and if you choose to use it, it doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me a lot. And finally, let's take what's inside the box. First, we need to open the box and what it contains. And you'll see the actual product wrapped in an air cap and some manuals. I hardly think that people these days read any of this stuff, but gotta have it. Now let's take this actual product off the air cap and let's have a take a look of battery grip itself. On the base you can see sticker, screw, and connection that is covered inside the cap. I'll take that off later. On the back there is a locking mechanism, on and off switch, AF and AE lock button. Front side, obviously it is grip and it is pretty sturdy. On the side, you get additional function button and a shutter button with a dial on it. Pretty much it looks similar to your G85. On the bottom, you'll see a thread mount that is off the center a little bit, but it's still good. On the other side, there's a battery compartment. You can open up by switching that and take that silica gel out. Please dispose that silica gel properly, not like me. The extra battery is not included, so if you have only one battery, you should purchase extra battery to run this thing. In order to attach this to your G85, you need to pop that cap off, and metal pins need to be exposed. Now let's see how to attach battery grip to G85. First, you need to remove that rubber cover in the middle. In order to not lose that rubber cover, you can actually put it on the base of the battery grip. Now let's align the screws and mounts together. And flip it backward. You can actually twist the locking mechanism and it will perfectly fit with your G85. Twist it until it's firmly locked in place. In my opinion, the battery grip and the G85 fits perfectly, and it is actually well made considering the price. Holding the vertical grip actually attached to the G85, it actually feels really good. And now let's turn this thing on and let's see what happens. If you see the top right corner of the LCD, you'll see the letter BG, which is indicating that your battery grip is working. And things to keep in mind that if you take out the battery while the camera is running, it will reset and turn it back on. In the other way, if you put the battery inside while the camera is running, it wouldn't reset. And the last thing to know is that the on and off switch only controls the buttons and the dials. And this is the end of the unboxing and a review. If you liked the video, please like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, and see you next time.